Welcome to our tutorial on adding videos to Google Slides. Whether you're a teacher, presenter, or student, incorporating videos can bring your slides to life. In this video, we will guide you through the process step by step. 1. Embed a YouTube video. Open your Google Slides presentation, select the slide where you want to add the video, click Insert Video. In the Search tab, find the YouTube video you want to include, click Select to add it to the slide. Adjust the video's size as needed. 2. Insert a video from Google Drive. If your video isn't on YouTube, it must be in your Google Drive. Upload the video to Google Drive if you haven't already. Open your presentation in Google Slides. Select the slide where you want to add the video, click Insert Video. In the Google Drive tab, choose your uploaded video and click Select. 3. Customize playback options. After adding the video, select it. Go to Format Options, Toolbar or right-click, adjust the start and end time to trim the video, enable autoplay during the presentation if desired, mute the audio if needed. 4. Position and size. Use the Size and Rotation tab to modify width and height. Lock the aspect ratio if you want to maintain proportions. Within the Position tab, set the video's placement. If this tutorial helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.